Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Arora, guest lecturer at NC Web, Bharti College. Today we will be talking about one of the paper offered in semester 5th of BCom program, that is organizational behavior. It is a DSE paper, which means discipline specific elective. In your third year of BCom program, apart from having a core paper, you will be offered an elective by your college in a specialized subject, and one of the paper is organizational behavior. It's a theory paper carrying 4 credits, out of which 3 credits are for the lecture and 1 is for the tutorial. There is no practical component in this paper. The unique paper code of organizational behavior is 24130900001. Now let's talk about the evaluation of this paper. In the end term of your semester, there will be a written theory exam of 90 marks for 3 hours. Then there is an internal assessment of 30 marks, which will evaluate your assignments and your attendance. Then there is a continuous evaluation of 40 marks, wherein your classroom participation, presentation, attendance, your class test will be evaluated. Let's come to the syllabus or content of this paper. As the name says, organizational behavior, we are talking about individual and group and how they behave in the organization and how manager can use their behavior in achieving the organizational goals. The syllabus of this paper is divided into 5 units. Unit 1 is the foundation of organizational behavior, how the organizational behavior emerges from classical approach to the present day modern organizational behavior perspective, how the role of individual have been incorporated and evaluated over the years. It also talk about organizational models which is being followed in the organization and the different determinants, advantages and disadvantages of organizational behavior. Unit 2 talk about individual behavior, how individual behavior formed. It focuses on personality, attitude, value system, learning, perspective, which shape the individual behavior and how manager can use and modify them for the organization. Unit 3 talk about the communication and the motivation. When we talk about the organization, there has to be a communication channel. What type of communication channels are there, different communication styles, and how an effective communication help in building good relationship in the organization. This unit also talk about motivation, how we can keep the motivation of the individual up to the level. There are different theories which help us understand the motivation of employees, like Maslow theory of need hierarchy and McGeorge theory X and theory Y. Unit 4 talk about group dynamics, how groups are being formed, formal, informal, what are the group norms, what are their rules, and how the importance of group in an organization. This unit also talk about leadership, different leadership styles and what is appropriate for the today's organization, the different leadership issues which we face in today's time. The last unit is dynamics of organizational behavior, which talk about organizational culture, its components, its determinants, and how the culture of organization is evaluated all across the world depending upon the people we are being handling. This unit also talk about organizational change. In today's time, with modern technology, change is relevant and important. How managers help in implementing the change? What are the resistance to change they face? This unit talk about this. So overall, when we talk about the organizational behavior paper, it is about individual, the group, the managers, and how these being used in the organization. Let's talk about the last part of this, which is very important, about the question paper. Since it is a very new paper, and from the last year format, we can observe that there are total 5 questions having internal choice. Each question is from each unit, so all the 5 units become very important. The question may be divided into 2 parts of A, B, and there will be internal choice, and each question carries 18 marks. Okay, so there will be a total 5 question of 18 marks, total 90 marks. Thank you.